Alright guys, so today we'll be doing a before and after sound test. We'll be installing Walmart's basic just kicker, sub, and amp combo unit. Comes with a 10-inch sub. Just a real basic amp right there, just super convenient. You don't have to install your own. It's gonna sound pretty decent. Right now we'll do the before sound test of the truck. Alright, so now that you've heard what the stock sound system sounds like without the sub installed, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it sounds like with the sub installed. That way you can form your own opinion on if the sub is worth the $200 or so that Walmart is asking. Alright guys, so as you can see, it doesn't really take much to get a terrible sounding truck to sound at least fairly decent. It doesn't sound professional by any means, and I'm sure most of you audiophiles out there have probably heard this sub and amp combo before, as well as the aftermarket head unit. It's just basic dual from Walmart as well. That's going to come in a lot of used vehicles that you buy that aren't super expensive. But it doesn't sound terrible like it did before, and for the money, I think it's a very decent sound. The sub and amp combo is $200 from Walmart. The head unit, I'm not sure on the price because it already came with it, but I'm sure it's probably somewhere around $50 or so. And we actually picked up the sub and amp combo unit for $75 off of our local classifieds page. So yeah, I think it's a very good deal and a very good sound for the price. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have any questions, leave them down there as well. And please subscribe if you like this kind of content and would like to see more in the future.